I teach lean, mostly lean and leadership, which is Toyota production system, but I didn't work for Toyota. I work for Honda, okay? I'm passionate about lean, and I've been learning a lot, so I'm here to share some of my knowledge with you. Okay, I love motivational movies. How many people have heard about word Gemba? Gemba. Can somebody shout out what Gemba means? Work. Go to work. That's where I learned lean. That's where I picked up all my knowledge. You heard about my experience. Those are the organizations I work for. You heard I'm a motivational speaker, and these are my certifications. Plus, I have more people on my team. I work in all the sectors. These are my clients, or they have come to my training. Manufacturing, service, public service, healthcare. These are the people we are either currently working with or we are planning to work quick and soon, okay? So why am I showing you this? When I go to all these organizations, lots of people are looking for good people. So if you want to leave me your resume and your name, my booth is right here. Please do write your name. People are always looking for good people. So say if I can get you some jobs. I am looking for 2-3 people for my contracts. So see if we can work together. Very simple agenda. We'll talk about change. We'll talk about you, your current status. We'll talk about innovation, and we'll talk about your sector. Is your sector changing? Let's talk about it. We'll talk about the skills that you think are required for future. Then we'll talk about some of the skills I think which all the ASQ professionals need. And at the end, we'll talk about we are humans, there is hope. Don't lose hope. Most importantly, I'm here to engage you. I'm not here to give you all the answers. I will engage you. I'll make you think. Does everybody have a big sheet in their hands? Everybody has it? Please be ready with that sheet. You will be working with yourself today. No group exercises. I'm just working on your mind. Okay, let's see if I can take you somewhere in this 20 minutes. Just to make you laugh. Why would I show you this video? Why? People don't like change, plus we are seeing change every day. It's happening right in front of us. We choose not to see it. We close our eyes. So before we go further, please open your sheet and please answer me, number 1, your name, your qualification, your certifications, your skills. Please answer number 1. Only focus on number 1, right here. Please answer number 1 for yourself. No group exercise, talk to yourself. Trust me, you have all the answers. We just don't focus. I'm going to make you focus in this 15-20 minutes. Please take time, answer for yourself, talk to your brain, talk to yourself. You're going to find the answers today. Are you ready for tomorrow or no? Okay, let's move on. Why we get ready for tomorrow? Because you are in current state and lots of things are changing here and you need to get to the future. Give me an example. What's changing today in your industry, in your office, in your company? What's changing? Yeah. Automation. What else? Technology is changing. Okay. Quality is improving. AI is coming in. Okay. That's why we need to change. That's why we need to get to the tomorrow. Otherwise, you will be left behind. Okay. Lots of innovation is happening in the industry. There is incremental, there is breakthrough, and there is disruptive innovation happening. You guys are all seeing it. I'll just explain you before I go into the innovation, just to make you laugh. Lots of innovation is happening at home. People are trying something new every day. How many people saw Google's today? There is a helper, Google Helper. It will do all the work for you. Did anybody see Sundar Pichai's video today? It will call for you. It will book your appointments. It will do everything for you. You don't have to do anything. It's changing. Okay? This is what I mean by incremental. Incremental, incremental, incremental. We are not afraid of this. This is good. This is welcome. What about the next one? Breakthrough. How many people know about BlackBerry? Everybody knows about BlackBerry. How many people carry BlackBerry? 1, 2, 3 people out of 60, 70 people in the room. Why? What happened with BlackBerry? They just stayed the way they were. The products were awesome, but they didn't change with time. Okay? Let's talk about Netflix versus Blockbuster. How many people have taken movies from Blockbuster? I have, 2003, 2005, 2007, but they didn't watch what was happening. Walmart, the biggest company, what happened? Amazon just came along and took over everything. Do you know about the story? The people in the New York, when they were horse carts, never ever agreed with that cars can work or the trains will work. But it's the truth now. Look what's happening with Uber. Yes, it's on hold for now, but you will have self-driving cars. How many people believe self-driving cars will be truth? I believe it will be true. Okay? Things are changing very fast. Just to show you an example of disruptive. Everybody must have seen this.
4 years ago, we started to wonder, what would shopping look like if you could walk into a store, grab what you want, and just go? What if we could weave the most advanced machine learning, computer vision, and AI into the very fabric of a store so you never have to wait in line? No lines, no checkouts, no registers. Welcome to Amazon Go. Use the Amazon Go app to enter. Then put away your phone and start shopping. It's really that simple. Take whatever you like. Anything you pick up is automatically added to your virtual cart. If you change your mind about that cupcake, just put it back. Our technology will update your virtual cart automatically. So, how does it work? We used computer vision, deep learning algorithms, and sensor fusion, much like you'd find in self-driving cars. We call it Just Walk Out technology. Once you've got everything you want, you can just go. When you leave, our Just Walk Out technology adds up your virtual cart and charges your Amazon account. Your receipt is sent straight to the app, and you can keep going. Amazon Go. No lines, no checkout. No, seriously.
It's awesome, but what's the problem? Look, sorry? How many jobs? Can you think? Big job loss coming. And let's talk about Sobeys, for example. They are the food giant, right? They should be thinking about this. But do you think, are they thinking? Who thought? One company thought. They've already opened 2 or 3 stores. You know that, right? It's going to go like wildfire. So this is what we are talking. This is what you guys should be worried about. Disruption. Okay? So, number 2. Please, if you're feeling bored, find a pair talk to your peer, find one person close to you, talk to each other, and answer those questions. You don't need to write. Talk to each other. I'm just trying to put some spice in there. Find a peer, find a person next to you, answer the questions. Please, talk to each other. Find one person. Talk to each other. You don't need to write. Okay, we don't need to do any report out. Guys, I'm just making you think. No sector is untouched. I work in all the sectors, and I'm seeing lots of bad things, and I'm seeing lots of sectors where there are not enough people. Some of the easy jobs, like admin jobs, like the counters, these jobs will be gone. People are even talking, the doctors, your, what we call the regular doctor. Family doctors, physicians will be gone. Things are coming. Keep your eyes open. But I work in all the sectors. There are lots of sectors who are dying to have people. Okay? We'll talk more when you meet outside. Next thing is skill gap analysis. How many people know about skill gap analysis? How many people have heard this word, skill gap analysis? Very simple term, which means understand the things that you need to know, and see where do you stand. Okay? What do? I have given you the sheet. I have given you the circles. When you fill nothing, that means 0%. You are not aware of that skill. If you fill 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%. So the next set of questions are very simple. What are the skills that you think you need for future? What is your current skills level on those skills? What is your plan to enhance your skill level? Do this individually. Individual exercise. The skills that you think are required for you to stay in the sector you are in. Skill number 1, write it down. And write down the percentage. What do you think your score is for yourself? Is it 0? Is it 20? Or is it 50, 75 or 100? This was used by Honda. That's how we do the skill level for everyone in Honda. The skills that you think that you need to survive this storm, and where are you standing today? Now, I'm saying after working with 50 different organizations, training 5,000 people, working with 200 senior people, I have some skills which I think you should have, especially as ASQ, project management, or engineering professionals. So look at those skills which is written there and score yourself and see if you have any plan for yourself to at least get those skills. And don't think that's the only exhaustive list I have. If you think you need more skills, add more skills. But after doing 5,000 trainings and saving millions of dollars, these are the skills which I see are missing in the companies. And especially with the ASQ professionals, you should have those. So answer number 4 for yourself. Please, rate yourself. Do you have that skill? Are you 0? Are you 25? Are you 50? Are you 75? Are you 100% on those skills? I think you should have those skills. Please answer carefully. Do you have those skills which I have written? I think you should have those skills. Project management, change management, statistical analysis, Microsoft, Excel. At least these are the basic things you should have. How many people scored all good? 1 out of 60. I see this every day. These are the basic skills which everybody should have. Some people have taken my training, Michael, Victoria, they have taken my training, at least the lean part, but there are other skills required. Okay? So please remember that. These are the skills I think you should have. So make a plan for yourself. So, guys, not everything is gloom and doom. We are not dying. Things are not changing today. Things have been changing forever. So there is nothing new. If you think the change is going to be just, there will be a bloodbath, no. The change has been happening. Just keep on writing blogs, keep on reading, keep on watching, keep on listening, speak. I do lots of public speaking. I think I've done around 100 public speaking. When I started, I was just like you, sitting right there. Start speaking. Start speaking about what you really love. Speak about it. And I think ASQ will give you opportunity, right? Like they gave me opportunity. Join professional bodies. How many people are not part of the ASQ member? Everybody's ASQ? Few hands I saw. Join ASQ. It's value added. Attend seminars, get your certifications, get more education, and most importantly, get out of your comfort zone. Be on the lookout. If you're not looking out and you're just working 8 to 5, you will stay 8 to 5. And that 8 to 5 job maybe is going. Sorry, harsh word. I don't mean to be disrespectful. Somebody has said the people who work evenings for themselves will survive. Think about what I just said. Work for yourself in the evenings. Find some time, 1 hour, 2 hour. I know kids are important. I know family is important. Find some time for yourself. This is just an example. ASQ. ASQ, I am a Six Sigma black belt from ASQ. See if there is any certification which you guys want. Go to ASQ website. It has really paid me off. And now I'm in front of you. I don't have a government job. I left my government job with the skills I have gained over a period of time. And I work in all the sectors. You want to know my qualification, basic qualification? I'm a diploma in automotive engineering. How many people know diploma? 12 plus 3. I'm only 15 years of education. The experience I've gained at Honda is my MBA. Be hungry for the experience. Jump on any experience that you get. Any problem solving that you get, jump. Deep dive into this. Do something new. Do some kind of strategy. Get out of your comfort zone. You will get there. I'm not trying to say I'm a hi-fi. I'm just saying you want to become me, do something. Spend time on yourself. Okay? This is what I do. I improve quality, lower cost, shorten delivery time, enhance morale, increase safety. I do public trainings and ASQ. If you see some emails coming from ASQ saying lean yellow belt, lean green belt certification, that's me. Okay? May 14, 15, there is yellow belt happening. June 14, 15, another yellow belt happening. And green belt is happening. These trainings are done in collaboration with PMI, and ASQ is kind enough to promote them. These trainings comes with money back guarantee. If you don't like it, 100% money will be back. I train process improvements. I have trained some processes by 98%. A process which used to take 4 months is done in 1 day today. I know how to engage people. I know how to do problem solving. I can teach you, and you will become one. I create communication structures. I create continuous improvement structures in organization. Question and answers, guys. Any question?
When you do Green Sigma, Lean Sigma belt training, do you offer projects to complete?
You have to finish a project. If you're doing yellow belt, you don't need to do a project. But if you're doing my Lean Six Sigma, you will show me that you've finished a project. And we have one green belt in the room, Michael.
Or you also have some projects to complete, or we have to do it all?
If you don't have a project, we can talk. You can help me in one of my projects. At the time, I have 20, 30 projects going. We'll talk about it. Okay, please see me after. Any other question?
Okay. On behalf of ASQ, really thank you so much for attending this
Thank you.
meeting and all the valuable information.
Thank you, guys.